up, Blockheads? Late night ride, headed back after riding up at Standard Motorcycle Company. It's just gonna be a random one, man. I haven't done a solo vlog in so long, dude. Freaking, a lot of it's been dual vlogs with Miss Block, which is awesome, man. I love riding with her. But man, the dual vlogs are so much harder to edit. They take so much longer. But yeah, so it's Pedro over here and Raj. They're all just headed back after staying late in the garage, working on the 48. So as of today, like as of this day, me recording it, not the release date, but as of today, it's the first time that I've missed my scheduled uploads in like over a year. So I basically have been releasing consistent schedule Monday, Wednesday, Friday, right? For yeah, like over a year. And then even in some of those weeks, I would release 5 videos, depending on like the time sensitivity of them. And I feel kind of bad, man. Like I wasn't able to release today. That's because my schedule for work and Miss Blockhead's schedule for work has changed quite a bit. And so I'm not finding as much like downtime to be able to edit videos. Granted, we're still, you know, attending and, you know, hanging out with the motorcycle community and, you know, spreading the name and doing events and stuff like that, which is awesome. But man, like finding the time to edit videos, it's taken a bit. What you doing, buddy? Huh? Oh, I got you. I thought you were pushing me back. You're like, get out of here. But yeah, man, we've been busy, and like today, like as of today, it's like towards the end of bike week, and man, I wasn't able to get time off from the job to like go over to Daytona and do bike week. So life is busy, man. Life is just, it's super busy, but it's good because, you know, we're out there and we're involved in the community, and it's really nice to be able to, you know, hang out and make friends. And, you know, this Blockhead thing keeps on growing, which is just freaking awesome, man. Making awesome friends like Pedro here and Raj, and we all live in like kind of the same part of town, so we're like, all right, closing up shop, let's head out, let's ride back. I apologize, guys, for not maintaining that schedule. Like I said, I've got an absolute ton of dual vlogs with Miss Blockhead between like the Harleys and the new Groms, but it just takes so much longer to edit them because it's like way harder on the processor, you know? You know, you've got 2 video tracks, 2 audio tracks instead of just 1. Normally I can drop 1 like I'm doing right now, and I can scrub through it pretty darn quick, and I can have a video out, you know, edited like from here to our ride back. I can probably have that edited in like an hour, you know. That's like intro content, me explaining stuff, dropping the links, you know, subtitles, and then rendering it out. Then once it's rendered out, you know, I gotta make a thumbnail, and man, this YouTube thing, it's very rewarding, but once you start taking it seriously and you start releasing on a consistent schedule, it definitely turns into work, man. But there's so much opportunity here, man. There's so much opportunity that this channel has brought, and that is all thanks to you guys. I remember one of my resolutions at like 10,000 subscribers was to start reaching out to companies and see if they would work with me. And man, now it's like we're at 40,000 as of me recording this. We're right about 40,000 subs, and so now it's like we're having to actually turn down companies, which is totally insane. Hi, buddy. Later, padre. Au revoir. A couple companies have reached out, and man, they make quality products. They make really good stuff, and I've actually had to turn some companies down, which is just totally insane. I never thought I would have to do that. I mean, there's only so much stuff you can do to the bike, you know, but I'm definitely trying to work with as many as I can. Holy shit. Dude. Did that scare you? Holy shit, it scared me.
Yeah, I'm in those things and they still scare the
Yeah. But yeah, man, like, I'm working with as many companies as I can, and I never thought that it would kind of come to the point of like being able to work with a company like Standard Motorcycle Company and really experienced mechanics and being able to hang out and close down shop. It's just super, super awesome. And you know, I've got, you know, Jason Paul Michaels to thank for that, and all the crew up at Standard, you know, and Padre. I don't think you're allowed to do that here. Somebody's night just got shitty. Ooh, it's great. Anyways, yeah, man, it's been a cool journey. I don't know what this video exactly is about. You know, it's just, I guess me basically saying how grateful I am, and for the opportunity, and for like all the opportunities that the channel has led to. And you know, I put in the effort and the hard work, and you guys hit the subscribe button for some reason, and you guys continue to hit the subscribe button for some reason. I mean, we grow by like 150 to 200 subs per day. That's freaking just amazing. I never thought it would be a thing, you know. It's just really cool to kind of combine, you know, my enjoyment of like working and wrenching on mechanics. You know, I worked on cars for a while beforehand, and being able to kind of take that love of wrenching on cars, you know, the working with your hands and working on bikes instead, it's just so much easier, you know. And then also take my love of design and kind of combining the two has just been awesome. And then being able to do that with people that are just insanely talented, like the guys up at Standard, it's just super, super lucky, man. Really super lucky. And I've got you guys to thank for a lot of that, so thank y'all. I greatly appreciate it. And the Blockhead crew, man, there's just so much positivity that's kind of come out of this whole journey, and it's exactly what it's been. A freaking journey. Anyways, before I get too sentimental and sappy, it's freaking hilarious. I didn't think it would take that turn. Thought it was just gonna be a random vlog on the way back, but yeah, maybe it's cool letting you guys know that I'm grateful, you know. Gotta stay humble about this whole journey, man. And I always tell people, like, you know, the Blockheads, that I've kind of got no expectations about anything, that, you know, I'm not really setting my expectations to anything, because then it's like stuff just happens when it happens, you know. So like, I'm trying to just take it easy, take it breezy. You guys know that Friends episode?
It was like a casual breezy message. It was breezy. Oh God, what if it wasn't breezy? So let me know, or don't, whatever. I'm breezy.
Hey, you can't say you're breezy. That totally negates the breezy.
Yeah, just trying to, you know, let things kind of naturally progress as they do. Thus far, it's been pretty cool. So, thank you guys. Be interested to see where it is in like the next 6 months, you know. Just gotta stay on it. Keep on keeping on. For those of you subscribers that have been with me since the beginning, man, thank y'all so much. Greatly appreciate it. And to those of you that have jumped on board, you know, along the way, thank you guys so much as well, man. I appreciate every one of you. Anyways, like I said before, I get too sappy. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just I guess just a message, me talking to you guys, which I feel like it's a little more rare these days with riding with friends and, you know, connecting up on the Sennas and stuff like that. I like these good old-fashioned vlogs where it's just, you know, me talking one-on-one, not being connected to anybody. But anyways, if you guys did enjoy the video, be sure to hit the like button. If you guys aren't subscribed, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Hit that bell icon so you can be part of the notification squad. Later, dude. If you guys have friends that enjoy motorcycle content, be sure to share the channel with them. Really, bro? Until next time, you guys ride safe out there. Stay vigilant. We'll catch y'all later. Deuces.